Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Take action on your ideas. Always do your best. Doing your best means just take action on your ideas. You can have many great ideas in your head, but without action upon an idea, there'll be no manifestation, no results, and no reward. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. Dow Industrials up 37, NASDAQ down 25, S&P's flat. Let's get right over to Google and Amazon. Google comes out with numbers, folks. Google closed at 1167. That's trading 1119. Bottom line, that gap's lower. Amazon, we go take a look at Amazon. Amazon closed at 1390. That was down 60 bucks. That's trading up 50 right now at 1440. That being said, bottom line is that you had a higher high out here today inside Amazon. Let's see what they're saying. Number-wise, okay, Amazon, the net sales, $59.84 billion. That was the estimate. They came in with 60.5. Earnings per share, this is pretty intense. The estimate was $1.83, and they brought in $3.75. That is a monster number. Now, that is including, they got a tax benefit of $789 million out of that. But bottom line is that big, big number. Let's see what they're saying out here. Yeah, there's not much in here about the Whole Foods in the release thus far. Let's go over to Google first, because we are going to have Apple at 4:30 also. Google's down 40 bucks. What Google number-wise goes like this. The earnings per share is $9.70. Revenue $4.69 billion. Their paid clicks are up 43%. That's a big number. Earnings per share, interesting. Earnings per share is down. So their bottom line is down. The estimate was $10.04. They made $9.70. Amgen, let's go take a look at Amgen. Amgen, of course, one of the largest biotechs out here. Amgen closed at 185.56. Amgen is trading 178, so they're trading down $8 now. Amgen, the number goes like this. The earnings per share, they had, the estimate was $3.03. They made $2.86. And you can see what these companies do when they just miss. Now they're going to set a $10 billion buyback. They're going to waste shareholders' money at highs. That's the real bottom line, which is amazing. You know, one of the Tigers in the Den was saying yesterday, he's always amazed that they never buy stock at the lows. And everyone, these companies buy it at the highs. I mean, if we go back to Amgen, you were at $43 and, you know, from 2005 going all the way to 2012, $45 to $65. Now you're dealing with $185 stock, and guess what? They're saying they're going to buy it back. Big deal, right? GoPro, GPRO. Let's go take a look at GoPro. GoPro closed at $550. Oh, that's taking a hit. That's trading at $507. This company's probably going to go out of business. This is going to get intriguing. Let me see how much gross revenue they actually take in, because it's like, okay, you're going down the tubes. The real question is that yeah, they're contracting. You know, $1.4 billion they took in 2014, $1.1 billion this year. Let's see what they have to say this coming year. Let's see what they have to say about it. They missed. The loss is wider than expected. Revenue misses. Now this is their biggest quarter too. Yeah, GoPro reported disappointing sales in the fourth quarter by bad holiday sales. Man, if you can't sell it at holidays, guess what? You're gonna have a problem. They reported revenue of $334 million the fourth quarter, missing the 340 projection. Sales took a $80 million hit because of discounting of its Karma drones and Hero line of cameras after the holiday season. GoPro said in January it also cut the price of its new Hero camera by $100 to $399. It lost $55.85 million in 3 months. Holy cow, I wonder how much more money they have to lose. Bottom line, we'll find out, but that is no doubt one big number. So, NDX 100. Let's go take a look at the NDX. NDX is, you talk about movement. This thing had big movement. Now, it will not have movement in about another 3 minutes because the future market closes. But what we will have when the future market opens back up, that is going to be moving not only on the aspect of where Apple is going, but where the market thinks that Google and Amazon are going to be going. As we come into the close out here, the low was 20 minutes before the close. Inside the NQs, they traded down to 68.84. And as we're coming into the next 3 minutes, it looks like it's going to try to make a run into that once again. So this is going to get intriguing to see where this shakes out. If we go over to Apple just for a second and take a look at Apple. Apple closed at 167.78. They will be out at 3:30, and you know, bottom line is that Apple looks like a big ABC structure down. So this is going to be intriguing watching how this thing shakes out. You know, and where Apple broke out from, it broke out topside from the 26th of October, and that's what it looks like it can go fill. You know, you fill that. If we have volume in the fill, it's a different ball game. But if you're just going down there in order to fill that gap, well, you know, we'll see what type of volume we get as we come down into those lower levels. Gold contract, what do we have with gold? That caught a nice bid coming into a Friday. We had a low out here today of 1340. Right now you're at 1353, and you get juice behind the move. You know, it looks to me like gold's going to make this run out here for 1370, more than likely tomorrow. And 1370 is a big number, folks, because it would be great to see that get launched. That's the September 8th high also. Big number. Let's go take a look at Deckers, DECK. Deckers closed at $87. That's trading at 94, so that's a big number. Evidently, we're buying those shoes once again. The net sales, the estimate was $749 million, did $810. That's a big number, man. Earnings per share, $384 was the estimate. They did $497. Those are big numbers, man. We are buying Deckers shoes, evidently. So let's see. They design women, children, men. Bottom line, they get some action going. You stay right there, folks. We got we got 20 past 4 at 4:30. Apple's going to be coming out. We're coming right back.